If your dryer's taking longer than normal to dry the clothes, more than one cycle, and you know that that lint filter is clean, stick around. I'm going to show you another thing you can check. Pull the dryer away from the wall, disconnect the vent from the dryer. I have an attachment that I bought for my shop vac years ago that allows you to attach the dryer vent to the shop vac. When you turn the shop vac on, it sucks all the lint back that's trapped in the hose or in the first part of the vent. You see how much I pulled back here. Do this a couple of times and you end up with a big old pile of lint. So this right here, it'll make a difference in how well your dryer works. If you've got a flexible vent like this and you've got the option to put in a solid vent, that's obviously the best option because most of the stuff gets hung up inside the vent itself. But anyway, do that, it'll help.
This is how a house fire can happen. All this lint right here, you can kind of see. It can cause a house fire. You can kind of hear the airflow now. Alright, go.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get blown away here.
Oh.
And if I run into some of those spots, God dang.
Oh. Dan, turn and let me see your hat. Dan, look at me. Your hat is covered in it.